Okay, little tour on outside. There's the Murphy bed slide out right there. I'll just walk around real quick. Now it's kind of windy on the inside. It's really a good looking little vehicle. Like I said, 25 foot. And back up, got lots of stuff there on top. There's the electric awning. Just mash the button up there on the passenger seat and it rolls out and you don't have to do nothing. If you go out very far, it's got a thing. Here's that big storage compartment in the back. Whoops. Anyway, sorry about all the movement, but anyway, that's good size. The golf clubs, it probably goes up. Whoop, I can't reach the top of it, so it goes up pretty high. And anyway, that'll be it. It'll pull. The towing capacity is 6,000 pounds. And enjoyed seeing you today. Got that little moving satellite too. Talk to you later.